Hello everyone, this is a drone DIY with Map Uganda. I am Edwin Chiimba.
I'm Ephraim Oburu.
Sandra Wanyiru.
Yeah, so we shall be helping to assemble a drone. Yeah, but before we can start with introducing to you the different parts of the drone. So these all come with the drone pack. This is the main board. Yeah, it has circuitry and then the motor controllers. We have the secondary board. So this is the secondary board. It holds the GPS system. We have the primary board. This is the main board.
These are propellers. And then these are the motors where the propellers sit. Then this is the remote control. Then pick it out. This is just how it looks like. Okay.
Yes, this is the flight controller with the GPS. Then this is the landing gear of our drone. These are the holders for the different motors.
Yeah, so we shall be following the guide that comes along with the drone to put everything together. So we shall start by assembling the lower board and the propeller holder, the GPS stand as well at the same time. So let's get started. The next step is to mount the motors. So we have two types of motors. We have the double C motors and then the single C motors. That's CW and CCW. So the CCW are the motors with the silver top. So the top is silver, and the CW motors are motors with the black top. So we have two motors that have the silver top and two motors that have the black top. And each of these motors will have to be in the opposite direction. So we shall have silver, one of the silvers here and then one of the silvers here. So they are in opposite directions. So we have two holes, whereas from the motors will pass. And then we screw just below. The screws will come from below to the motor. So let's do that. So we are done with screwing all our four motors in position, and we can continue with the other parts. That's the flight controller. Our flight controller to the primary board. So the flight controller will show you a direction. The flight controller, we have four directions, so we have where it should be facing. So we are done connecting all the motors, and we've put the flight controller with the GPS onto, and then the next step will be to connecting these cables, like the wires that connect to the motors, the tiny females, and here we have output, the word output, as you can see there, and then the M1 which is this one, we have to connect to output 1. So M1 has, where is the wire? It's over here. So M1 will have to connect to output 1 with they say the white should be upper, though it's yellow, and the black should be lower. So we have yellow and brown, so the brown will be lower, that's the negative, and the yellow will be up. Yeah, and then we continue to M2, which is the lower one, the lower white one, and M2 will connect to cable 2 to line 2. Then M3, which is this one, will connect to line 3. Then M4 will connect, which is this one, will connect to line 4. Yeah, that's done. And now our next step is to put the secondary board on and mount the GPS holder. This is where we're going to attach the GPS holder, and then the GPS has a direction as well. So this is the direction of the GPS, and it will have to face the front. This is the front end, so we shall put it here. So the next step is to attach this to this. So it has a middle hole. We just use this middle hole and find a suitable hole on this board and attach it on there.